Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves, and I've also helped them to prepare and clear the FRM and CF exam. Now, one of my student, he got the quartiles for the November exam, okay, as around 3-3, okay, that means first book third quartile, second book third quartile, and the third and the fourth book second and second quartile. He has been able to clear the exam. Now, this range of quartiles that you're getting, this result is at a borderline. Okay, why? Because when we look at third quartile, it is a range between 25 to 50. So you can be near 50 percentile, or you can be near 25 percentile also. So, but you got third and third quartile in the first and second book, and you were able to clear the exam. Why? Because you got second and second in the third and fourth book, which is the financial markets and the VAR book. So that book has a heavy weightage. So if you're not doing good in the first and second book, you need very good quartiles in the third and fourth book to cover. Then you have some chance to clear for the exam. Now, one more student who got around 4, 3, 2, 2. That means fourth quartile in the first book, third quartile in the second book, second quartile in the third and the fourth book. He was not able to clear the exam. The purpose or the reason to understand over here is that if you're getting a fourth quartile in your book 1 or book 2, then you need at least first quartile in the third and fourth book to cover up. Then you have some chance to clear. But if you're only getting second and second, then you will not be able to clear the exam. So always try to analyze where you might have gone wrong, which situation you might have could have improved in your exam, which book you could have slightly improved and you could have got a good chance to clear the exam. That will help you to plan better for the next attempt also. So from this perspective, I just try to give you a view of what other students are getting, how they are able to clear, how they are not able to clear, why there is a reason that they are not able to clear. So this might help you to prepare and analyze your performance in the exam. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, do share my videos to your friends who are preparing for the exam, and do put your thoughts on the comment section. Thank you.